How to hide photos on iPhone. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're first going to open your photo or your album and you're going to select the specific photo that you want to hide. For example, over here we have our image over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the top right, three buttons over here on the top right. So after you click that, there should be an option called hide, and simply click on hide. Then you will be able to see here pop up at the bottom, it will say hide photo. So simply click on hide photo and you should be able to easily hide the photo that you want to hide on your iPhone. So that applies for all versions of Apple, and it doesn't matter if it's an updated one or old one, it's going to be the same process. Even if it's not exactly the same, the areas would be generally be the same. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.